I'll show you how to clean up junk files in Windows to speed up your PC. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First on your keyboard, press Windows R. Then the run dialog box will appear. On this dialog box here, type the percentage sign, temp, then the percentage sign again. Press on enter. And then here you see the folder containing all your temporary files. Simply press Ctrl A on your keyboard to select all, and then press delete on your keyboard, or you just click the delete button here, and as you can see is recycling 51,145 items from temp. So the process has been completed. However, some files were not deleted. These are files that are currently in use, and you will not be able to delete these files, at least for now. What you want to do next is go to the recycle bin, because the files that were removed from the temp folder were not permanently deleted. So to permanently delete those files, we'll have to go to the recycle bin. Now right here in the recycle bin, you can see that all the files that were deleted are here. To permanently delete these files, click on empty recycle bin. We've been prompted to confirm that we really want to permanently delete these files. Click on yes. As you can see, it says preparing to delete, and now it's deleting, and that is it. The deleting process is complete, and as you can see, the recycle bin is empty.